Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today there's a market development that deserves attention. After the recent 3.5% pullback and stabilization near 119,000 on my long wave model, I wanted to see how quickly the market could recover. The model often identifies turning points early, which over the years has been performing very well even if short-term timing can vary. Yesterday, the 3-day heat map showed the most active level at 122,500, which suggested near-term strength. Today, the upper range from 122,500 to 124,000 still has interest, but the most concentrated zone has shifted to 117,700. This indicates that a large portion of market activity clustered there, with some positions carrying unusually high gearing, in certain cases around 70x their base size. On the 1-week heat map, the most active area is 114,600. When participation builds heavily at specific levels, it can sometimes lead to unexpected reversals, so this is a time for heightened awareness. Sentiment data like the Fear and Greed Index now shows a shift toward higher confidence compared to last week's neutral reading. Historically, such confidence spikes can precede more volatile conditions soon. Looking at recent ETF inflow data, the largest share of additions came from one provider, totaling over 100 million, while other issuers recorded modest reductions. This points to selective accumulation, even as overall participation patterns adjust. In other developments, Norway's NBIM, the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, has increased its Bitcoin exposure by 192% year over year. They now indirectly hold 7,161 Bitcoin, up by 3,340 in the second quarter of 2025 alone. I'll continue monitoring these conditions and continue sharing these updates daily. For more chart chatter, join the free Discord community. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. And see you in the next one.